following counties in Pennsylvania, Erie Inland, and Erie Lakeshore. Winter storm watch in effect from late Monday night through late Wednesday night. 1. Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations between 8 and 16 inches possible. Where? In Ohio, Ashtabula Lakeshore County. In Pennsylvania, northern Erie and southern Erie counties. When? From late Monday night through late Wednesday night. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday morning and evening commutes. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation. The current time is 2:22.